Oh, she just yelled at me. Oh, okay, I see what the problem is. The pipe just came disconnected. I am. I'm taking pictures and video, both. I got the whole works. So yeah, that pipe goes right down into the box. Yeah, I'm afraid to even step here, man. I might get electrocuted up in there.
Don't do it.
Just look like it slipped off somehow.
It won't be the first time it slipped out.
Well, I don't get to ever slip in and slip out, so.
What is wrong with
You really need to hook me up after this nonsense. But you got a big problem here with all this water in the box. So I don't even know what to do here right now. This has got to dry out. This is on the upper box, it looks like. Is that where the report is, in the upper?
Which upper?
Is that where the heaters are not working in the upper box? Upper unit? All right, so we put the pipes back together. Tighten them down. We're gonna give it a little test now.
She said she heard something. Uh, 1 minute ago.